Hey guys, welcome to another episode of in this video we're gonna install skin Mavic Pro Platinum. I got it in the mail from decalgirl.com. Very nice, good quality wraps for skins for drones or anything else. Highly recommended. On their websites, the Mavic Pro skins are $24 plus shipping. You can buy same thing on eBay for $18 shipped. The name was different, but when I purchased it, it came from the same website from Decal Girl. Okay, but the skins had the same names and everything. So whatever you pick the name of the skin at the Decal Girl website, search the same name on eBay and you'll get the same skin for $18 shipped versus 25 plus shipping. So let's do it.